Hello everyone. So today's date is 22nd of June 2022 and today we got a topic called HTML tags. So before moving to the topic, let's check what is an HTML. HTML basically hypertext markup language which is used to basically create web pages and web applications over the internet. Basically every web page on the internet you search for, it is created with the use of HTML. So HTML is universally adapted or universally strongly recommended or used by the whole programmers to create the different web pages and web applications also. With the help of CSS, JavaScript, HTML is popularly used to create this site of this web pages. So how HTML is such a popular language out there in the market? Because let's see, it is a hypertext markup language. Means hypertext means a text within the text. Means once you got in the website, any website, you click on particular information, it gets you to another page or another information. So basically this is the hypertext which you are clicking on it. And the markup language means it creates a web pages or web applications more dynamic and more in a style manner which can attract the users and which is user friendly for the users. So this is what a hypertext markup language is. Now to create the web pages by the use of HTML, you all need to be or to have a proper understanding about the HTML language. It is basically a markup language rather than programming language. It only have some form of tags. Basically, to write anything in HTML, you need different types of tags over there. So tags are nothing but similarly in Java we have some keywords which are used in a programming. In same way manner, HTML have some form of keywords which are known as tags. So let's understand one by one what are the different tags are there in HTML. The very first is a doc type tag. A doc type tag is basically the first one tag on any HTML page. It usually describes which type of HTML version is using by this page. The next one is head tag. Head tag is basically used to get or to see the user that which type of data is containing in this page, or basically describe the metadata, means a data of a data. So head is used for that. Now the next one is a title tag. Title tag means it tells us which type of name of the particular page have. So it is basically on top of the window, or we can call it as a title of any particular web page. So this is a title tag is used for. Then after that, body tags. Body tags means the content which are you wanting to see or to allow to the user which can he see. The whole content is in the body tag. So body tag is nothing but the tag which contains the whole information about the page. So HTML tags basically have three types: open tag, close tag, and unclosed tag also. So every tag in HTML do have a sort of angular brackets with it. So basically every tag should be open in a particular manner and should be closed in a particular manner. It should be closed with angular brackets and with forward slash between it, except two tags like a break tag and horizontal line tag. Basically these two tags are used to break tag is used to break the line of particular paragraph or particular line, and the horizontal line which is used to draw an horizontal line over the web page. So these two tags do not require a closing bracket at all, except that every tag is required closing tag. Basically to, to use any type of or to write any type of content on the web page, the various tags are used there. Like if you are using or you want to have your data in the bold format, there is bold tag. If you have to you require to data in the italic manner, there is italic tag. There is an uppercase tag. There is a lot of tags are there. When let's say if you are wanting to upload an image, particular image on your web page, for the image particularly there is an article tag, there is a map tag also, which do have some specifications details. Also, if you are trying to give some sort of colors to the website, then there is a color tag also, a background color tag also, color group tag also available. Let's say you are trying to make some work on the table, or you require to have some table sort of data on your web page. So there are tags for table also, like TR tag, TD tag, table tag, T head tag, or T footer tag also. There are H1, H2, H3 tags there, which we can call it as a heading tag. Let's say if you are wanting to give some data as heading data, like you have some data, and for every data you want to write some main point which describe the whole information about that data. So headings tags are used there. Headings means basically it contains a different size of data. H1 comes with a bigger size, while H6 comes with a smaller size there. Now, whenever you want to have some paragraphs in your websites, the paragraph tags are also there. The article tag also there. The let's say address tag is there, and a lot of tags are there. By the use of HTML for creating web pages, you will have this whole information about tags as per your requirement. So basically, to create any website, any web pages, you must have a detailed understanding about the HTML with JavaScript, CSS also. So this is about the HTML tags. Thank you so much.